In this video, we will discover the following findings: the importance of securing a network and the importance of encrypting network communications. The scope: to utilize a network packet analyzer to perform a packet sniff over the network, and we will also analyze the logs from the packet analysis to obtain a clear text username and password sent over HTTP protocol port 80. The following tasks will be completed through this tutorial. We will start the packet analyzer to scan the wireless network, browse and log into a website from a Linux Kali device that contains HTTP protocol. We will then stop the packet analyzer and search for the HTTP post log for the username and password. When a client is connected to a network, quite simply, the packets and data they send go directly to the switch, router, or wireless access router that they are connected to. When an attacker is performing a network sniff, the attacker will connect to the same network and run a network sniffer, which will capture packets sent across the network. The attacker can then go through the packet logs to identify information and activity taking place on the network. More specifically, when packets are sent across a network via unencrypted traffic, following a network sniff, the attacker can look through the packet logs and identify any unencrypted traffic in which usernames, passwords, and any other data sent over an unencrypted protocol, such as HTTP, can be captured. In this white hat experiment, we will be utilizing two virtual machines installed over Oracle VM VirtualBox and a physical router. The malicious device will be the Windows 10 device with an IP address of 192.168.1.13, and we will be utilizing the pre-installed toolset of Wireshark to initiate the attack. The client or victim device will be the Linux Kali device. The IP address of this device is 192.168.1.17. The physical DNS device switch will be on the coffee.local domain. The IP address of this device is 192.168.1.1. The Windows 10 device will sniff all network packets on this network and intercept the network packets. To begin with, I'll log into the Linux Kali device and show the IP address. As you can see, the IP address of this device is 192.168.1.17. I'll now open Wireshark, select the Wi-Fi network right here, and begin capturing. The next thing to do will be to browse the site. The external HTTP site that I'm going to be visiting is a public site that you can utilize for vulnerability testing for HTTP. The website is http://test.php.vulnweb.com/login.php. Now this brings us to the username and password. So the username I'll be entering is white hat down under. The password white hat down under 2022. Now as we can see, there is a prompt saying this connection is not secure, and we can see that with this connection is not secure warning, this is telling us that we are going over the HTTP protocol, which is port 80, as opposed to the HTTPS protocol, which is port 443 with encryption. If I click on login and don't save, this information has been processed. Now we will open up Wireshark, and the next thing we will do is obtain the HTTP username and password. As we can see, the information here is gathered via the Wireshark packet capture. So I click up here and enter http://request.method == post in capital letters and click enter. Now what I can see is we have the test php.vom.web entry here. If I expand this, we have this option here called HTML form URL encoded. So we expand this, and right here we can see the username entered white hat down under, and then the password white hat down under 2022 with 2 T's.